Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing fall fireplace mantel decorating ideas to inspire you to create a cozy and stylish autumn home. From vintage inspired finds to DIY Pottery Barn dupes, I'll walk you through multiple looks so you can style your mantel beautifully for fall. Make sure you watch until the end and let me know in the comments which mantel style is your favorite. And if you love seasonal home decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. For the first look, I'm starting with one of my older vases that I recently gave new life to with a DIY makeover. Into it, I'm adding brand new florals I picked up at Dollarama for just $3.50 each. These are such a great dupe for the ones at Pottery Barn, and I absolutely love them, especially the variation in leaf colors. You get that moody burgundy, deep green, and soft orange yellow that blends beautifully together. I picked up 3 stems only because that's all they had in stock, otherwise I would have grabbed 5. I might still go hunting at another Dollarama location to find more. Beside the vase, I'm adding a small jug style vase, another one of my DIY makeovers. I'm leaving this one empty for balance. On the opposite side, I'm bringing in a brand new DIY project I haven't shared yet. The print came from Temu, and I'll link my Temu store from below so you can check out all of my fall favorites. There might even be some Christmas items in there. I love this moody print, it fits perfectly with my fall style this year. To pair with it, I'm adding 3 candelabras I also got at Temu, but I did spray paint them with antique bronze to better suit my decor. I topped them with tapered candles, still on the lookout for the perfect fall color, but for now, these will do. In the center, I'm selling some thrifted books. My thrifted leaf that I painted last year. And a brand new pumpkin DIYs that I'll be sharing this Wednesday on my DIY channel. This completes look 1, moody, vintage, and full of fall foliage without being too loud about it. For the next look, I'm bringing in my DIY olive vase. This one sparked quite a bit of conversation on my DIY channel. Some felt it looked unfinished, but I was replicating a Pottery Barn vase that looked exactly like this one, and I absolutely love it. That's what matters most. Decor is personal. Inside, I'm adding 6 vase branches I picked up last year from Temu. Beside it, I'm adding another Pottery Barn pumpkin dupe, one of my older DIYs. And on the opposite side, my favorite lantern, and I paired that with the vintage candle holder. I added another tapered candle here, also waiting to swap out for the perfect fall shade. And that's the look too, earthy, warm, and perfectly imperfect. For the third look, I kept the lantern but moved it to the opposite side. In the middle, I've stacked a different set of books and topped them with a seagrass basket I thrifted for $2. Inside the basket, I've added paper mache pumpkins, another thrift store find. I love their color. It is softer and less bright pumpkin orange. On the other side, I'm using one of my favorite white vases filled with my absolutely favorite fall purchase this year, burgundy leaf stems from Temu. They're a gorgeous dupe for high-end florals and really great quality. And that's the look 3, rich color, texture, and balance. For look 4, I swapped the light wood lantern for my black lantern to give the mantel a little more contrast. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer the lighter wood lantern or the black one? If you're enjoying these fall mantel decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more seasonal home inspiration. And if you already subscribed, I'd love it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me know that you are loving what you're loving and supports my channel so much. For the next few looks are going to be repeats from previous year that I felt needed to be shared. I brought in my lantern and my large jug vase, the one that usually sits on my kitchen island, then filled the jug with wheat stems. I placed a candle beside it and added a few pumpkins for a warm classic touch. In the end, I removed the candle for a cleaner finish, giving the whole arrangement a more traditional fall look. For my next look, I brought in 2 of my DIY vases, each filled with a mix of stems, most from Dollarama, and the wheat coming from HomeSense. To this arrangement, I added a soft green pumpkin. Fun fact, this pumpkin was part of the $3 thrifted wreath. It had these beautiful pumpkins attached, so I took the wreath apart, used the pumpkins in my decor, and repurposed the wreath form to make an entirely new wreath. On the opposite side of the mantle, I styled 2 candelabras from Homesteads alongside a pumpkin from Michael's to finish the look. And the final style features a large vase, which I've since gifted to my mother-in-law because she loved it so much, filled with eucalyptus stems from Dollarama. One of my favorite accents here is a piece of driftwood I found in a cottage we used to rent for years. It adds such a natural, organic touch. On the other side, I styled a DIY vase with wheat from Michael's and a simple candle. And I added a burlap pumpkin. This is a timeless and airy way to decorate a mantle for fall. I hope you enjoyed these fall fireplace mantle decorating ideas and found some inspiration for your own home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. Do you love them all, or does one stand out to you the most? I'd really love to hear. If you enjoy seasonal decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.